Hey there! It's great to have you here. Today we're going to talk about the 4 habits that can lead to a breakup or divorce in a relationship. These habits are backed by research from Dr. John Gottman, who has studied thousands of couples. But don't worry. We're also going to suggest some positive habits that you can adopt to replace these negative habits. Criticism. Criticizing your partner can be destructive to a relationship. Instead of criticizing, try expressing your feelings in a non-judgmental way. For example, instead of saying you always forget to take out the trash, say I feel frustrated when the trash isn't taken out, because it makes the house smell bad. Contempt. Contempt is a form of disrespect towards your partner and can be incredibly harmful. Instead of expressing contempt, try expressing appreciation for your partner. For example, you could say, I appreciate how hard you work to support our family, or I love how you always make me laugh. Defensiveness. Being defensive can be a natural response when we feel attacked, but it can also be a habit that damages a relationship. Instead of being defensive, try to listen actively and take responsibility for your own part in the issue. For example, instead of saying I didn't do anything wrong, say I can see how my actions may have hurt you, and I'm sorry. Stonewalling is when we shut down emotionally during an argument, and it can be incredibly damaging to a relationship. Instead of stonewalling, try taking a break and coming back to the issue when you're both feeling calmer. For example, you could say, I need some time to think about this. Can we talk about it later when we're both feeling more relaxed? By adopting these positive habits, you can build a stronger and healthier relationship with your partner. Remember, it's important to communicate effectively, show empathy, and take responsibility for your actions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.